Top 5 Print-on-Demand Niche Research, Episode 15. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the 15th episode of the Top 5 Print-on-Demand Niches. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Our first niche for today is the anime niche. I chose this niche because Anime Day, I think it's on April 15th of every year is Anime Day, and anime lovers will obviously be searching for t-shirts related to anime. So this is a huge opportunity for us print-on-demand sellers to whip up some crazy and cute designs for anime lovers, because they're obviously going to be searching for some cute designs for this day. So that was it for our first niche. And this look at the t-shirt I found for you guys on Flying Research. It says, I don't always watch anime. Sometimes I eat, sleep, and even once I left my room. So it's also a funny t-shirt. I know funny t-shirts also do very well. And let's scroll down and see how well this is doing. It's priced $19.99, has over 99 sales, 14 reviews. And let's do some scrolling down. So overall trend is up. I'm guessing because Anime Day is quickly approaching. And here are the keywords that you can use if you want to target this niche. You obviously have to use anime, use Japanese. I will be careful with kawaii. I think kawaii is, if I'm not mistaken, I think kawaii is trademark. So you really need to take a look at your trademarks and make sure that any of the keywords you're using is not trademarked, because that's the fastest way to get your account locked down. So that's it for the keywords. Let's go down and see if there are any other niches. Oh yeah, this one says I don't need therapy, I just need anime. So I'm guessing this is, yeah, from the same brand. So this is another design. Has also priced $19.99 and over 3 reviews. So this one too is doing well, and this is the same design on a hoodie. But I wouldn't be because places are getting a little bit warm, so I wouldn't advise you to put your designs on hoodies. I will advise you to put it on anything other than warm clothing, like tank tops, yes, which is sleeveless. So that's it for the first niche. Moving to the second niche. Our second niche is Earth Day. Is this design that says "Go Planet is your Earth Day." So Earth Day, I did some research. Earth Day is approaching. Earth Day is, let's say, yeah, Thursday, April 22nd. So it's also quickly approaching. And Earth Day is doing very well. Price at $16.99. You can tell from the BSR. Look at that, the BSR. Anyway, we'll get to that. So it's priced at $16.99. Over 99 reviews. No, sorry, over 99 sales. No reviews yet because it's a new design and many people have not had the opportunity to leave a review yet. That shows you, this is how you know if a design is doing awesomely well. I don't know if a word exists like that, but what I'm trying to say, this is how you know if a design is doing extremely well, when there are several sales, over 99 sales with no review. That means the amount of time that people took to buy this design was very quick, in such a way that many people still have to write down their reviews. Yeah. So that's how you know if a design is doing well. So this is a design that is doing extremely well. And you can tell from the BSR. This is a very steep fall in the BSR. Look at that. It's quickly approaching 1. And let's scroll down and look at this. Overall trend is up, current trend is up. I'm guessing it's because of the Earth Day, which is April 22nd. It's not far away from here, from today. It's just today is April 11th. So it's just a few days away, about a week and a half days away, which is not too bad for you to start designing now, because we're using Prime. Prime, if you order using Prime, your shirt arrives in 2 days. So we still have that leverage of time for us to design right now, because even if we design a few days close to a day, it's still going to arrive in a couple of days. So that's one of the advantages that we have with as print-on-demand sellers using designing under Amazon Prime. So there you have it. That was our second niche for today. Is the Earth Day. Here's a design that you can model. We're moving on to the third niche of today. Okay, this niche is still the Earth Day, so I just chose a niche which is similar to the previous one, but I just wanted to show you a similar design that you can also model. This one says Earth Day every day, so it's kind of different from the first one, but it's in the same niche. That shows that it's not just one particular day that you have to celebrate Earth Day. Earth Day is every day because we need to take care of our planet every day, not just on a single day. So this one of our trend is up. So it looks like it's a new t-shirt because look at the BSR, it just kept on falling. It looks like it was uploaded April 4th. Okay, I see this graph here starts from April 4th to look at this. Today is April 11th. So this graph has to update. So I'm guessing this is a new design because if you look at this other design right here, let's scroll down and see the difference. You see that this was uploaded March 30th. So wherever this graph starts from, that's when the design was uploaded. So you see that it was uploaded March 30th and it has had the time to like go up and down and look at this, April 12th, or approaching this right here, April 11th, and they're already projecting that by April 12th, it's still gonna keep on falling. So that was just a quick aside there, just to understand how flying research works if you're using flying research, which I would highly recommend you do because it's a tool that I'm using myself because I wouldn't recommend anything to you if I don't use it myself and that's one of the reasons why I'm recommending it because it's an awesome tool that you can get all the designs and research that you ever need for your opinion to brand business. Anyway, I'm not here to pitch you trying research. I'm just telling you how awesome it is for me. And the link is in the description if you want to check out Flying Research. Another tool that I recommend for your brand's business when it comes to researching designs and keywords and all the like, anything you ever need. Another tool is Merch Informer. I've also spoken a lot about Merch Informer in the past, and I've made several videos. If you want to check Merch Informer out, there's also a link in the description below. And if you want to check out all the videos I've watched, just go to my channel and click on the videos and you can watch all the videos. So moving on to our third niche for today is kind of similar to the Earth Day niche, but this one is uh, related to the bees and or the animals, recycling and all of that. So this I chose this niche because of its trending. Its overall trend is up and its current trend is up. I'm guessing because it's also related to Earth Day, I can say because it says save, rescue, recycle, clean. In short, it's everything related to green. That's the Green Deal, the Green New Deal. It's related to the Earth Day. It's related to recycling, related to green. That's veganism because it says plants. So it also relates to bees. So there's several things that it also talks about rescuing animals. So this t-shirt is a whole lot of niches into one. Anything that you're interested in relation to all these things that I've talked about, you can get this t-shirt. And maybe that's why it's doing so well because it's trendy. The overall trend is up, current trend is up. So this is another t-shirt that you can get inspiration from to create your own designs. And let's scroll down and take a look at the keywords. I've already talked about the BSR. Look at this, it's already at one. It's not really approaching one, it's already at one. So this t-shirt is obviously doing very great. Here are the keywords that you can use: rescue, recycling, plastic, earth. So all of these things, plants, all of them for this design. So let's scroll down and see if there are any other there are not any other design. So that's it for this design, or that's it for this niche. We're going to move to the next niche, which is this vaccination niche. So this is our fourth niche for the day. Yeah, our fourth niche for the day. Vaccination niche. You know, vaccinations have been going on for a while now. And here is an evergreen niche, at least for the moment. It's been doing very, very well because many people have been getting vaccinated, and I guess I want to show their support for and to also encourage people to get vaccinated. They'll get t-shirts like this, which says fully vaccinated, you're welcome. And let's take a look at There you go. I said it. So overall trend up, current trend up. In relation to what I just explained, that many people are getting vaccinated and they want to show and encourage others to get vaccinated, because some people are like, I'm not going to get vaccinated because the amount of time it took to whip up this vaccine was too fast. There are other diseases that haven't had the opportunity to get vaccines because um, they're still at the trial phases and things like that. So they are like, how comes those diseases which have been there for a while haven't got vaccines, but this COVID had vaccine in less than a year? So people are really skeptical about the vaccines and they are refusing to take it. So t-shirts like this show support and encouragement for other people to take the vaccines. So that's why it's trending. All right, that was the fourth niche for the day. We're moving on to the fifth niche. The fifth niche is this military t-shirt. It says Purple Up Military Child Month USA flag t-shirt. So it's really related to the military child. I'm not really sure what this purple is for. I'm guessing if it's autism. Autism is purple, and I'm confused if it's the purple is for autism or the purple is for the Purple Heart. You know, Purple Heart is a medal of honor given to um, those who fought very well in battle. I'm talking about the military, those who fought well in battle, fierce battles and things like that. They give them award them a Purple Heart. So I'm confused if this purple is for the Purple Heart Medal of Honor or if the purple is for the autism, because I see these I don't know what this is called, and I know autism uses it, so I'm really confused which one is it. But it's also been trending. Let's take a look at it. Overall trend is up, current trend up, and I also searched for a military. I did a research for Memorial Day. I was thinking maybe it's because of Memorial Day that is coming up that is trending. I searched for Memorial Day and it is May 31st. So, although it's a little bit far away, but not too far away, maybe that's the reason why it's trending. But if you guys know why it's trending, please let me know in the comment section below. I would really love to chat. I would really love to continue this chat in the comment section below. So, that's it for this t-shirt. It's priced over 13. It's priced at 1307. Has over 83 sales, and overall trend is up. Current trend is up. And here are similar designs from the same brand. Land of the Free, Because My Daddy is Brave, Military Child. Okay, that's kind of sweet. And it's on a iPhone cover. It's on a phone cover, and this one is a t-shirt too. All right, so that's it for this niche. So I gave a bonus niche. This bonus niche is a softball. Actually, it's the fifth niche. Yeah, the fifth niche is the softball. So I chose this niche because softball too is the softball season is on. Softball games start at the beginning of March. The season typically runs till the end of April, so we're still in the softball season. I'm guessing that's why this t-shirt is trending. So it just says love softball, so I'm guessing it's for all softball lovers. And we can see the BSR, it has been falling and rising, and the overall trend is up at the moment. And you can see from the keywords, softball, shirts, funny, love, picture, catch, and all the like. And let's look at similar designs. And here's from the same a design from the same brand. Yes, I threw like a girl want a lesson. So guys, that's it for this niche. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.